Are you turning 40 and your skin has started to show the signs of aging? Then watch this video till the end to know the top or the best recommendations for laser treatments for your anti-aging goals. As we age, our skin starts wrinkling and becomes thin, and it starts to exhibit the signs of uneven pigmentation, sunspots, and also it starts to lose its hydration and looks drier. And we all want a healthy looking skin with a good glow. So having a good skincare routine, having an active lifestyle, avoiding any poor lifestyle choices such as smoking, having a good sleep and drinking plenty of water is absolutely important and vital to have a healthy skin. Now that we know what are the essentials, now let us discuss the best laser recommendations that are needed for your anti-aging goals. The first is the carbon dioxide laser. With the help of carbon dioxide lasers, we create micro injuries on your skin, and this stimulates or boosts the skin's healing process. This brings in new collagen and elastin to bring vitality to your skin, and it also helps retain more amount of water so that it is hydrated. The downtime is very minimal as compared to other laser treatments and can be repeated as per the recommendations of your doctor. And the second is intense pulse light therapy or laser toning. This helps to get rid of your sunspots, uneven pigmentation, or even redness on your face that happens because of progressive aging. Both these laser treatments have very minimal to no downtime and can be combined together to achieve phenomenal results. These lasers are absolutely safe with minimal to no downtime and no complications. Even pregnant and lactating women can undergo this carbon dioxide laser therapy or laser sessions. And there are no radiation that is associated with the treatment during these laser sessions. As I already mentioned, a good skincare routine and a healthy lifestyle is important to maintain a good and a healthy skin. These laser treatments can help achieve your goals and have sustained and consistent results. When it comes to your 40s, besides these lasers such as carbon dioxide laser or laser toning, you have other laser options for laser hair removal as well as for improving the overall texture and tone of your skin. So when you turn 40, these laser treatments such as CO2 or IPL or even a Q-switch laser can be very much useful for certain skin conditions such as sunspots, ephilids, lentigines, melasma or other different signs of aging. So as you turn 40, a carbon dioxide laser can help remove the fine lines and wrinkles and bring more hydration and moisture to your skin. A laser toning IPL or even a Q-switch laser can get rid of your stubborn pigmentation such as conditions in melasma as well as lichen planus. So if you have turned 40 and are noticing the signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles, uneven pigmentation, schedule a consultation with us and we'll guide you through the laser treatment process.